I'm in LA, so I got here 2 days ago now. It's a solo trip, so I'm vlogging the whole thing. But yeah, it's my first time in California, and when I was obsessed with YouTube in like 2010, like when I started my channel, I was obsessed with everybody living in LA. I was like, oh my gosh, I want to live there and live my life. So it's really cool to be here. So now I'm gonna do my hair. So I know, like I always say, I'm gonna show you how I do my hair, and I never do. Because I was traveling, I brought this with me. It's the Way leave-in conditioner. So I sprayed this all over my hair. Okay, so I use the Dyson. I bought the Dyson almost 2 years ago now, I think. Yeah, over 2 years ago. It's my favorite thing in the world. So I'm just gonna dry my hair. So I'm gonna use a different attachment. I also got a haircut recently, and I don't know, first few days I really didn't like it. I was like, what is this? But I think I like it now. I don't know. So I'm just gonna dry my hair. Okay, so I didn't show you the full thing, but my hair now is not fully dry, so I'm just gonna switch the attachment now. So then I switch it to this, and So I either use the round brush and give myself a blowout, but honestly, with my new haircuts, still getting used to it, I feel like it looks better if I curl my hair. So I'm gonna grab my hair clip, I'm gonna tie my hair. So I do this when my hair is not like fully dry, but it's not damp. I look at the arrows, so this arrow is going this way. I curl my hair going in. And then for the other side, you see I do the same thing. So I feel like curling inwards just gives a pretty look. Okay, so I did my hair. My camera was dying, so I needed to charge it. So anyways, this is what my hair looks like. And for my bangs, what I do, so I grab my bangs like this, and I take the one that the arrow is pointing down, just roll. That's what it gives. So anyways, I'm gonna fluff up my hair. And so usually I didn't bring it, but I haven't curled my hair in a while. I mean, I did 2 days ago, but for the past month and a half or so, my hair was really long, so I felt like it looked a lot better in a blowout. But I'm gonna fluff it up. But so this outfit, cannot wait to show you. I feel like I changed my style. I'm doing this oil. Usually I do the Kerastase 8-hour cream, and then I do this, but I just got a haircut. My hair is feeling pretty healthy right now. It's freshly dyed, which usually is when my hair feels the best, funny enough. But I didn't bring it on this trip. I'm super sunburned. It's not even, of course. Anyways, I'm gonna do some hairspray. While we talk about that, I'm gonna do my lips. I'm gonna do red because I'm feeling red. What I wanted to say is this is Cherry from MAC. Well, I forgot what I wanted to say. For lipstick, I'm gonna do this one from Chanel. It's in the shade Bohème 91. The lip liner doesn't really match, but I make it match. We're almost done. I feel like I want to do a bit more. I feel like my hair, I want to fluff up my hair a bit more. I haven't had a bottle of hairspray in a while. Love having hairspray back in my life. I don't know, I just haven't been purchasing hairspray, so. Okay, we need something else. Okay, and then this tiny little Charlotte Tilbury. I'm gonna remove everything that's on my lid, but I feel like my eyes need to be darker, but I think we're fine. Maybe it's lipstick that's a bit much. So for the shoes, I'll do these cute little lace-up gold shoes from Sam Edelman. I think the dress is more like silver. I mean, mirrors are silver to me, but you know, it's just to me because there's no mirrors. But I think gold is gonna look really cute. And then I'm gonna do my Chanel bag. And so, yeah, and then the outfit is from Zara. Then the bra, which you can't really see, but it's cute. I got it from Change Lingerie. This is kind of the mess I was working with. Okay, so this is the outfit. Honestly, the lace-up shoe is kind of a bad idea when you have a sunburn. But this is the outfit. I really like, I feel like this really looks like a dress, which is why I love it. But it's a top and a skirt. I feel like it fits really well. I don't have anything like this in my closet. Like, I really love the detailing. Oh, I'm doing that with my Chanel bag, and then I'll show you the jewelry. It's gonna be that. So for Julie, I decided to do this. It's a fake jade bangle, I guess. Got it from Chinatown. I decided to do it on this arm because on this arm I wanted to do these bracelets from Zara, and I have these two rings, Majuri, this from my grandmother, and then these Majuri. I've had a question if Majuri is good, so I only have the Majuri real, like the 14 karat gold pieces, and I like them. Like, I love this because I was not able to find something like that anywhere else, so I love this. This one, like, the chain doesn't sparkle as much. This chain, this necklace is maybe like a 10 karat. I got it from Doucet La Tendresse, and the chain, it needs to be clean. The chain sparkles so much, so much. This chain, I would be disappointed if it was my necklace, because this, even without, like, the diamond is not that big, but like the chain usually really sparkles. This, I would be disappointed if it wasn't a necklace. So that's what I will say. But then yeah, and then this ring is good. Yeah, so that's what I will say on Majuri. I like their 14 karat pieces, but I don't think it's like the most amazing quality. But like this bangle, I really want to buy the bigger one as well. So this bangle, I'm gonna ride or die for it. I don't know if I'm feeling the red lipstick, but I'll go with it because I'm on vacation, so why not?